Hello everyone, welcome back to Maxim Automation. Today, as part of our Git tutorial series, I'm going to discuss Git Log. As we use a version control system to record our code changes, so we also need a mechanism to look into the project history to see who all has contributed to the code and to identify where bugs are introduced. So to navigate to project history, we can use the command called as git log. Now let's see how we can use the git log command. So currently I'm in my project directory, and to get the project history, I can type the command git log. Here you can see it listed all the commit history to the project, which contains commit checksum, author name, date time, and the commit message. The first commit is the latest one, which also points to the head. And to move to the next commit detail, you can keep pressing enter until you reach to the end. And to exit from the commit details, you can simply press key Q. Now, when we type git log command, it basically returns all project history, which we generally don't require. So we can filter the logs as well based on our requirement. Let's say I want only the last two commit details. Here I can type the command git log hyphen number of commits I want to see. Here I have given the count as 2. So you can see here it returned only the last two commit history. And if I'll provide the count as 3, you can see here now it returned the last 3 commit history details. You can also filter the logs based on other parameters as well. Let's say you want to see the commit history after a particular date. Then you can type git log hyphen after and provide the date after which you want to see the commit log. Here I'm providing the date as 20th Feb 2022. Here you can see all the commit history returned are made after the 20th Feb. Similarly, you can filter the logs based on before date. And the syntax is almost similar. Here we need to provide before instead of after. When we want to see the logs before a specific date, then we can use this command to filter the logs. You can see here it displays all the logs which were made before the 20th Feb. Now, if you want to see the history between two dates, then we can use the before and after date filter together to list the commits between a date range. Let's say I want to filter the logs which are made before 20th Feb and after 20th Jan. So this command will return all the commit history which are made between these two dates. So this is how you can filter the logs based on date. Now, if you want to filter the logs based on the author name, then also you can do that. In that case, you can type the command git log hyphen author and then provide the author name. I'm giving the author name as Maximum Automation. You can see here it displayed the commit details and highlighted the author name. So the value which we provide against the author name, it searches for that string contained in all commits author. And wherever it matches that string, it displayed all the match results. Now the next thing which you can use to filter the result is by a commit message. And for that, you can type the command git log hyphen grep and then provide the string which you want to search in the commit message. So I'm searching for a word scenario. You can see here in the result that it returned all commits where the commit message contains scenarios in it. Now, many times we are interested in all commit history which are being made to a particular file. And let's say I want to see the commit details which contains the changes in this feature file. So to get the history related to a specific file, I can type the command git log hyphen hyphen and then provide the path of the file in which you are interested. Here I have provided the path of the file for which I want to see the commit history. And when I press enter, then we can see all the commits in which this file was modified. We can also filter the results based on multiple files. In that case, you just need to provide all the file path separated by a space. And this will return all the changes which are either made to Amazon test.feature file or Amazon test new.feature file. So we have seen how we can filter our log history. Now let's say I'm not interested in all the information written by the git log command. So I can also format the output written by the git log. And the first option to format the output is one line command. You can see here it displayed log history in just one line. One line represents one commit, which contains the first 7 characters of a commit checksum and the commit message. Now, let's say that you are more interested in which file has been modified as part of a commit, along with the commit details. In that case, you can type the command git log hyphen hyphen stat. You can see here we got the file name as well, which was impacted along with the commit details, and the number of insertion and deletion to that file. So whenever you need this information, you can use stat command. Here you can see all the files were impacted in this commit, because this is the first commit where I have committed all these files to the repository. Now, after this stat, we have another command called patch. So patch provides extra details than stat. It also displays the changes made to a file. Let's see how we can use it. So if I type the command git log hyphen hyphen patch, you can see here it displayed the changes as well, which was the part of that commit. Here I can easily find that the scenario name got updated in this commit. And let's say I just want to see patch details only for the last 2 commits. So I can provide the filter as well along with the patch command. So here we can see that this was the file modified as part of this commit. And these are the changes done to this file. We can use any filter along with any log format command. Let's say I want to see the git log history in one line command, and I only want the last 3 results. So I can add the filters as well with these commands. And instead of patch, you can use only P as well. P is basically for patch and will return the same detail as we get in patch command. So you can either use patch or P. Now, the other log format which you can use is graph. And for that, you can type the command git log hyphen hyphen graph. And let me get the result for the last 3 commits only. You can see here the results are displayed along with the graph, representing the branch structure of the commit history. Then the next command is short log. Git short log command groups all committed by authors and display each commit with its commit message. You can see here we have 2 commits by 2 authors, although both the authors are the same, but due to case sensitivity, it takes both as different authors, one with capital M and another with lower m. So you can see what all are the commits made by this author, and these are the commits performed by this author. After that, last but not the least, we can filter the logs by merges. If you are interested in all the logs which are being made due to merges, then you can use this command. Here we can see that this commit was made from a merge pull request. So this is how you can use the git log command to navigate to your project commit history. I hope you liked it. Please try it by yourself and put your comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel.